Ali, and the rest of your men to see what you all are doing and how I can be of service and to be given to get some support from some of my friends and colleagues in the U.S. I think what you guys are doing are tremendous, wonderful, but I think we can take it to the next level.
Yes.
That's what I want to really, be a part of, and so on. So tell me something about your welding shop or your welding program. And you can, speak to the folks in them.
We just started here. We have some challenges.
What are some of the challenges that you have?
Some of the challenges is the electricity. Electricity here. That's one. Then the tools are not enough. And of course, you see, the workshop now, we need so many things to do, like the road network. These are all our projects. And we need to extend the canopy, something like this. The
Canopy over here.
Yeah.
The road.
Yeah.
To get up here.
Electricity. Some of the tools. This is not. It's not good.
It's not adequate enough.
Yeah. It's not.
All right.
No, well, we get for make our money.
So now make it a talk now.
Okay. So we need a table, a metal table.
A metal table?
Yeah, to install this device.
Okay.
Like something like 6 feet by 3 feet. Like this.
Okay.
So,
well, since you're a metal worker, can you make the table?
Yes.
If you got the material?
Yeah, if I got the material.
Okay, all right. Okay. So, we'll work on that, right? A metal table. And can you talk to some of the equipment that you need, some of the tools that you need?
Yeah. Like device. We need cutting machine so that they are cut correctly.
And you mean a cutting machine that can cut metal?
Yeah. Cutting machine. We need drilling machine. Drilling, and we need, like I said earlier, the electricity.
Which is the biggest thing.
Yes. The meter, which is the face.
So wait a minute, do you have electricity here?
Yeah, the pole.
Yeah, you can take it. It's a pole.
Okay.
No, this one is single.
You can take it from this pole.
Take it from there.
Yeah.
All right. So what do you need to bring electricity here? You need what?
Cable.
Cable.
The meter.
Just the cable and the meter.
Yeah.
How long will it take for you to get the cable and the meter? All right. How much is the cable and meter? Okay. What's that? About 3 million for the cable and the meter.
Oh, the meter.
For the meter.
3 phase.
About 3 million.
3 phase, yeah.
Okay. And the cable might be how much? All right. So, we need just to electrify this building here so that we can have more adequate force and power to do some of the welding and the metal work that needs to be done here. So we're going to look at it might be about 5 million or so, which amounts to maybe about 500 US, to be able to bring an electrical wire, electrical cable to the building, and to be able to have a meter, and so on, electrical meter. So, the Ledge Ironwork is the organization, and again, in collaboration with Exodus Trust, Sierra Leone, we're looking to collaborate on a number of different projects and programs with the Ledge organization. As a U.S. company, you all know me, you know my name, my reputation, and I'm asking you, my partners, to come and support me in bringing some of our talent and our resources to, Ledge Metal Work, as well as a lot of the Ledge, along with some of the other Ledge projects and programs. Okay, again, I'm Dr. Biko Sankofa. I'm here in Sierra Leone working with the Ledge Group, the Ledge Corporation, and here is their metal workshop. And we're hoping to bring additional resources and partnerships and collaborations and investors and turn this into a dynamic metal workshop. Okay, again, you can reach me at bs@mysourceofwellness.com. or 240-876-9895. In advance, I'm going to thank you for your support and for the additional resources that I know is going to come pouring in. Okay? Again, Dr. Biko Sankofa out. Thank you so much.